Okay, so we're gonna want our shit like this.
I wonder if I do this, I'll be able to. So, how hard do I have to talk for that to hear me? No.
Not very.
Not very? Okay. Like, is that loud enough, or?
Yeah, you're fine, dude.
Okay, no. I'll talk okay.
Damn, son, hold on. On your tits. Holy balls. Just going in. I'm still getting cameras set up right.
Oh, it's all good. I'm just getting them something to see here. Ready. Now then.
Right here. Let's just sit her down.
And gentlemen.
It doesn't say we're live yet. I hit start streaming.
Have you tried restarting?
Reloading. Move that stuff back in there so she don't break it. Hey, leave my chairs alone.
These?
Yeah, put those in the box. The box level. I know beats you up. My mom's going to bed. Let me swing in here quick and check something. Oh yeah, well there we go. Yeah, Price is here. What's up, man? He's like, oh my god, it's you, fat man. Oh my god, we're building a computer. So, yeah, this is what we got here today. We're gonna move this back just a hair. So you can see, we got the Corsair Carbide series case here, Spec 03, mid tower, lots of cable management, good clicky buttons, and just a lot of working space. So we have all of our parts here. Watch out, hop behind there and swivel that to the right. You know, bring it this way, bring it across.
Put this on backwards. Okay.
I had to to get it to work. As you can see right over here, guys, there's all of our parts. The liquid cooler is already attached to the board. Everything there is ready to go. So we're gonna get it done and do it right the first time. Let's start.
It's infinitely staring into
Bring it back, you shithead. Bring it down. Oh, like right there. Right there. That's good. Now bring that one up a little. I hate doing this shit. Bring it up more. Like so they can see our faces. That's too high, bro. There you go, right there. That's good. Cool. Alright. Let's get to work.
Let's try not to kick the tripod.
Yeah, right? It's not coming to tripod today.
How did we get out the screw here?
Yeah.
That almost gave me a purple nut delay. That's what it looked like.
That would have sucked. There. Thank you. Careful with those. They're sensitive.
Ah, betcha.
Same thing with the one that has the plexi in it.
Where are these going?
Just set them back in the box for now. It still has a protective layer on it. Alright, so here be the case. And we'll layer down for you guys so you can see. We have a lot of cool stuff to work with in here. It's very simple, very easy. Like, just smooth. Hey, get out of here, kid. Thanks. Alright, so we got hardware, man. Get my knife out. Where the fuck I put my knife? Right here.
And I'm gonna die tonight, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I can't read what he's even saying.
Oh my god, it's a fat man. Kappa. We should record this and send it to Origin PC to teach them how to build PCs.
That's fucked up, man. No, I don't have any problems with them, dude. Like, we're all on good terms. Alright, so let's figure out what we got here. Got all sorts of shit. Got some zip ties shit with their tiny as balls.
I see we have some twisty ties in here.
Yeah. Fan screws out the wazoo. Spare motherboard standoff.
Oh, you're gonna need those.
No, I only have one spare. Alright. So looks like we have most of what we need. Let's get all this crap undone here.
Oh, here's one zip tie, twisted tie.
Alright, let's see. So I guess the first thing we'll do is I'll bring the board over and we'll just kind of test fit it. Actually, let's put the drives in first.
Do we want to get the standoffs? No, test fits. We don't
No,
want
the standoffs are already here.
What?
My standoffs are already installed. They come pre-installed.
That's awesome. How many extras does it give you though?
One.
Oh, only one.
Yeah, it's just like if you gotta move for like a different configuration.
Oh.
Okay, let me get my 2.5s in first. This one I'll put in towards the back.
I knew I should have brought some of my tools with me.
Okay, my tools, man.
It's a nice little kit. One of the fancy things that we get in that NCT that I didn't actually learn anything in.
I don't know if that one's gonna fit in there properly or not, but I have an extra mount bracket right here, so worst comes to worst.
Alright, well. Let's keep the chat over here.
Yeah, I haven't really seen too much there yet. I don't even know if people know we're live.
I believe it says we're off live still.
Yeah, it does. So how does that make you feel?
That?
Yeah.
Well, I'm a little confused to be honest. That's quite an odd show over there.
Yeah. I think it's like Rick and Morty or something.
Yep,
Yeah.
Rick and Morty.
Dude, the Dota voice pack is funny as crap.
Oh my gosh, yes it is. I know, I went and bought it as soon as he told me about it. And I regret nothing.
Actually, I think it's just supposed to slide in like that. Yeah.
I really like the way those parallel drives line up.
Oh yeah, dude, that's awesome.
They just clip into place.
Yeah, same with these ones.
Yes,
What? I don't think you need another lollipop, kid. I think you need to go to sleep.
Let's see, what time did we get the stream going at? 11:35.
Let's see if we can pull this off. Doesn't look like it.
It's because those clips are on the side.
Yeah, I gotta pull it out.
Wow, someone caught one of my dish towels on fire?
I don't know. Hmm?
Yeah, dude, wait. We have officially launched screws all over the floor here.
Did we?
Yeah.
No shit. Fuck. The way the slots are made, you can't put them in this way. Damn. That sucks.
What side do you have to go in from?
This side here in the front. Like my old one. Maybe. I'm not sure. We're gonna try this. Yeah, there you go, look at that. What do you think of that?
Looks great. Was it just a slider on the side?
Yeah.
Good stuff. How many little screws did we lose down here?
I don't even know where the hell they're from.
4?
Let me see. Yeah. That's it right there. The fuck did we take these out of? Do you remember?
No, but I'm in a bad spot to stand up.
Bud. What do you think? What did we do when we came in?
When we first came in, we forgot the 42-inch TV on the balcony for about 10 minutes.
No, I know that.
Actually, 15 minutes, maybe.
Oh, wait. These came out of the bottom of the fucking SSD tray, dude.
Oh, hey, that's what they're from.
Yeah.
Good idea.
We're good.
That's true.
It's a different one, though. Alright, so those are in. No screws required. Let's put the fans and shit in, I guess. I need to plan where the cooler is gonna land. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. That makes more sense to me. I think the liquid cooler is gonna go right here.
Okay.
And then fan here, fan here. So they give me like the 2 fans that are laying there.
Set a cable down. There you go.
Sure. This one gotta go on the bottom. Do I want this to exhaust? No. These are gonna exhaust. These are gonna pull air up.
Okay.
But I could exhaust out of the bottom too.
So you want to have a vacuum in there, correct? Or no, you want to have a greater out.
You just want a high pressure system. Keeps the dust and shit out. Think of that.
So more
Intake.
power.
More intake. Less exhaust. So intake, 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 exhaust, exhaust. I think that'll work for me.
Okay. Then that's what you're going for. What do you got?
I got these. Oh, they're close.
Gotta take the dust filter out first.
That helps.
Yeah. This one's never had fan screws threaded through it before.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, that looks about right.
Yeah, I told you we're fine.
It's
Which
still
just-
you're all fine though.
It's just the way the viewer count's been acting lately on my website. Been a little dumb.
That's interesting. Is there any way I can help you while you're doing that?
Sweating my nerds off.
Hey, me too.
Alright. I gotta put this one on as an intake. So, gotta go on this way. Like these. I like these. I could like these.
Dude, on the way in, I was debating so hard on swinging in and getting a double cheeseburger and McChicken. 2 of them. One of each for you and one of each for me.
Yes.
And that would be the official meetup meal there.
I try to fucking not eat that shit too much, man. Make me feel sick. Eat enough of that.
Oh, same here. But
Look at all the extra fan screws they give you.
oh my gosh, if you run out of screws, then you're doing something
Oh,
wrong,
dude, we're
probably.
getting high CPU encoding. Turn off that stream. It's making the stream lag.
I'm going upstairs.
Alright, ma. I'll put her to bed here shortly.
She's, and I don't want to listen to her, so.
Kylia, sit down. Go chill. Yeah, you taking the time out.
The air back on because everybody the air is
Do it in a minute.
I don't know why the girl in the bedroom lights are always.
Okay, these have holes in them.
Text your sister to see where she's at.
I don't really got many chatters here.
Nope, not really. Not too many channels.
Oh, man.
How you doing there?
Sweating my ass off. I'm about to go turn the AC back on.
Let's do it.
Working my nards off putting fans in, bro.
You can tag out, man. You want him putting fans in? I can put in some fans.
Alright, man. Alright. Jesus, I'm like dripping into my case.
Yeah, I know that feeling.
I hate that shit.
We should
Glad
wear
there's-
bandana.
Yeah, right. See it. There we go.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Alright, good stuff.
Alright, give me 1 second. Take over and yak first.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and check out the chat down here. Dude, that's my tower. If you're enjoying the stream, why not follow? How are the fat men? The fat men are doing alright, but it's a little warm over here for us. We're getting ready to turn on the refrigerator. To Yeah, we got a box fan coming out of the freezer. It's really quite ingenious. No, I'm joking. Seriously, we have actual air conditioners. We're good now. But as you see here, we have fans and hard drives in. Next, we're going over to motherboards. What the heck is this? This seems a little bit extreme just for a couple of little Molex connectors. They are black electrical tape together. Like actual black electrical tape, the high quality stuff. So I doubt the fact that I'll be able to ever actually separate these. So, as you can tell here, ladies and gentlemen, Tyler's tower has been completely torn down and we're working on putting it back together. Now we're running the broadcast off of my computer, which is it's doing alright. It needs cleaned out and redone and all kinds of stuff. Poor thing. It's a pretty massive tower, as you can see there. It's just chilling. And, yeah, here we go.
Dude, this shit is bugging out right now.
It's because of this.
No.
It is.
Watch out. 1 second. That's what's got it. I can see where it is. This fan needs to drop down there. What are these?
Fans.
No. These are the power switch and reset switch and all
Stuff for the
that.
motherboard.
Yeah.
What are you doing? You getting in trouble? Ain't good.
HD
breaking
audio.
Here's the cut.
Oh, she broke everything.
3.0.
Do we want more of a downward look, or do we want the slower?
Downward's fine, because I'm going to lay it down then when I go to put the hardware in.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
What?
That is my tower. I have got a Corsair 03 spec over here.
Dude, that's awesome.
150 euros.
How do you like it?
153 euros. Wow. How much did you pay for this case?
Nada.
What?
Nada.
This case. Oh, this case.
Yeah, nada. That's just explain. But, okay. Got the SATAs. We don't gotta run those quite yet. That'll be last runs. Then we have the,
Probably.
power supply. Power supply will go in after the motherboard. I want the back plate in now so I don't forget it.
Darn, we left all the screws over there. There can't be of much assistance to you without blocking the mic webcams. Hi. Oh, it's official. She's a dork.
Mm-hmm. Come down here, please. Alright, so undo the twist tie on this wire here a second.
How did you manage to carry both of those together?
What?
The water cooler and the CPU
Not hard.
motherboard.
Not hard.
Not hard.
No, I'll be doing it again in a second. I'll do it. You need stuff on your headphones on actually, by the way. I've noticed that one.
Googly moogly.
I gotta plug the 8-pin into the board before I put it in, I think. Hold on. I got the spot for it to come up and over. So, I guess we're actually gonna put the power supply in first.
Is there going to be room to put the motherboard in?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I guess I'll grab those screws and start putting them in.
Fan down.
Fan down. Alright.
But you have to hold these back out of the way. This thing can be kind of hard to work with at times. Tell me my power supply is too massive to fit down there with a fan.
It's so difficult to be perfectly silent next to the webcam or microphone.
Alright, there we go. Forced it in there. Fuck 'em.
I believe that's...
No, those go to the liquid cooling.
Oh.
Leah, out. Out of here, please. Just for a few minutes, okay?
Alright, okay.
No, dude, I got new screws for everything right down there. Told you that. Those look like motherboard screws. Those are fan screws. There should be another 2 sets of screws there. Or another set at least. 4?
Yep.
That would be for the power supply. It's already lined up for the most part. You got that screwdriver? I'll dump these in your hand. Yeah, how about? I hope that's what it is. Just try one of them. If it's too small, we'll use some of those. Or the 4 silver ones I have laying around.
Well, I believe you're correct about these being power supplies.
Yeah. They tightening up? Doesn't look like they're tightening up, man. Yes, they did. Is it like
Okay.
inside the hole or something? Oh no, it's just right there. All right.
So it's okay?
Yeah, it's good. Good, you're gonna go to bed as soon as I'm done with this.
Oh no, I'm gonna miss.
What are you thinking so far?
I dropped one.
The other one you dropped right here.
Thank you.
One right here. Tighten this one up.
It's already there.
But this one, I need to tighten that one back up.
Man, I feel like I'm defusing a bomb.
There's this one right. You're sweating now too.
I looked before, you just couldn't tell.
You're just like dumping it.
Close enough. I don't think it actually started tightening down.
This is how I'm gonna remedy that.
Alright, I'm back. Does it look like I just got out of the shower? Pretty sure it does. I'm not sure why. It's definitely cooling off in here.
That be in.
Ooh, hey, let's take a look on over at chat. Well, what's taking you so long to put that thing together? Holy, it's Tanaka gone. Holy, kill it quick. Well, that price of Tanaka. Hello? Hey! Get an alert. Fear the Tour de Blood is on. What up?
Fear the Walking Dead.
Ah. Walking Dead is on. Alright. What's up? Never have to finish the new build. I think I'll go with a modular power supply just so I don't have to deal with all those darn wires. Lol. How can you tell the difference between the screws? We don't. We just kind of guess, and we have some.
No, I know the difference. I know the difference, man.
It's been a while, okay?
Yes, I know, sir.
And did you guys get some of those screws mixed up with power supply screws? No, I don't think we did.
No, we didn't. I sent the motherboard screws off to the side already.
So that was a pretty awesome adventure earlier, huh?
Yeah. Fucking epic adventure like usual.
So get this, we were vampire hunting in the woods when the FBI rolled up and tried to attack us. So we had to go all full ninja and just bail out and dip on some FBI. And then the vampires caught up with us and started shooting teeth at us.
Dude, you're crazy.
I'm filling the air, man. This is random story time.
There's music and shit playing too, dude. Don't forget that.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Nice. So people are able to just lurk. Good.
Yeah, that's why I did it that way. Alright, what the fuck does this go to? This can get taped off up there.
A graphics card.
No, this isn't graphics card.
6-pin?
It used to be, that's for like the 2-phase CPUs, and mine's a 1-phase. It has the 8-pin, so I already have an 8-pin up there for it. This is for a graphics card. 8-pin. But I have a different one I use usually. No, I've been using this one. That's right. Also hard drives. So this is the only one that has to be taped off then.
Okay. Nice looking case, by the way.
Yeah? Who said that?
Tanaka Khan.
Appreciate that, man. Alright. Let me get my little fucking zip tie doodad things here.
Zip tied, zoot doodad.
Coming at you through your microphone.
Zoop, zoop, zoopity bop. Someone at you through your microphone.
Ridiculous.
Sorry.
It's all good.
So, how are those fans gonna spin with all those wires in them?
It's not in them. They're all gonna dip down and run behind them.
We're not tearing mine apart on live stream tonight, are we?
No.
Okay.
It'll be tomorrow.
Sweet.
What do you think these are gonna lay right there?
We might have to trim the zip tie.
No, I'm not gonna leave them lay there. I'm tuck them right down here.
Okay. Do you need any help with this wiring?
Not crazy amounts. Why? You want help?
I can, yes.
I'm asking if you want to, not if you can.
Yeah.
Alright, well, hold it up.
So I'm just gonna stand here,
Alright.
make you do all the work.
Which one's which? This one has to be tied off too. But I'll just tie this off back here.
Yay for zip ties.
Oh.
And here, ladies and gentlemen, we see a beautiful EVGA GeForce GTX 960 with 4 gigs of GDDR5 RAM. It's clocked very fast and it has a very fast super clocked processor.
Oh my god, you're killing me right now. So hard to focus.
Oh, I made it 200 miles from New York City.
Nice.
Might swing in there on the way back.
Oh yeah?
Make a nice little 5-hour detour up there for an hour or two and then turn around and come back another 8.
Crazy, man.
Might cry. I would cry too much. I would hate myself for it.
Yeah,
That's just way too much driving in one day for one person.
exactly.
always seem to have it all covered.
I've been doing this a long time, man. I just have to get this fucking wire to turn the way I need it to go. This is the road right now.
I've got speed going, start power. Restock price, waiting from Machinima 5000.
Hey, what's up, Machinima?
And
What's cracking, homie?
just remember I love you all. Oh my god, it's Machinima. Mike. Machinima's happy. Not the concept for everybody about how's it going and walls. Alright, that's what we got here. So, alright. Got us all caught up on the chat.
Appreciate that.
And the chat's once again off to a running start. Thanks, guys, so much. Banana.
I can't believe I just made this work. Look at that wiring. Could always be better though.
What a nice view in there.
It's coming along, piece by piece.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, let's try to get this motherboard in.
I'll get the screws ready.
Make sure you get the right ones the first time.
Okay, done.
Okay.
Didn't hurt, we're good. I believe your motherboard is a slight bit tall for this case.
No. I have to get the 8-pin and plug it in a while. But this fucking cooler's in the way. Hold that. Hold that right there. Thank you.
Yep.
God damn it.
Trying to block the webcam over here, apparently.
Who are you?
Yeah.
Jesus. Sorry, that was rough.
Abuse! Abuse!
There we go. Just lay that over here.
Here's the screw.
Hold on.
Oh, here's the screw.
Alright, let me see. Let me see your screws. Thank you, sir. Yeah, I'm ready for this. You alright? These aren't the motherboard screws, you derp. These are fan screws.
That's the only ones over there.
Yes, hon. I think you'll be okay. I don't have a specs command, bro. I didn't put one up. Didn't feel the need to. Most people here know what I have, so it's all good. But I mean, I can go over it real quick then. I have 16 gigs of Team Elite plus DDR3 at 1333 overclock to 1600. I have ASRock Fatality 990FX Killer Series motherboard, full ATX, an AMD 8350 8-core, 4 gigahertz, and GTX 960 4 gig Supra SC. Dude, tomorrow you get to do all of yours on stream.
If I don't take everything out first. Jeez.
Huh?
If I don't take everything out first.
You have to, man.
Let me take out the room.
Oh. Yeah, you're gonna do yours tomorrow on the stream. See what people are saying.
I'm trying, my eyes won't focus. Case is looking good though. Bye guys. Captain Price loves those USB 3 ports on the front though. See you, Captain. Sup, Lolidy. Safe trip. Yeah, man, it was an awesome trip out. Got some cool pictures of a giant lake and stuff. And it was a really long drive, but it was fun going through the mountains. Except for the semis. The semis didn't like it, and so they were like about to hit you, and then they were like 2 miles behind you. So it was really back and forth. Let's see what else we got here.
Yeah, go over and watch your TV.
And that's why I prefer older server tower cases. Plenty of room. Well, is that his same tower, or did he get a new one? New one. So I'm switching from Xbox to PS4. What has caused the change there, Webster? And I got a shady email from a guy that was probably you repeat.
Probably what?
I got a shitty email from a guy that probably wants to tell me, oh, that's nice.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Fuck that one. I ain't trying to get that one. There's one that I can't get because of the fan, and I'm not taking the fan back out right now. Just about all of them, but like 1 or 2 are in, so it's not a big deal.
First one I may have to tell you, tell me the specs. Well, can you repeat? Oh, geez. Captain Price, hey, be nice. I didn't mean it in a mean way. Oh.
Alright.
Gaming butt, okay. I just like PlayStation before I ever heard of Xbox. Fair enough. Fair enough.
Hold this. Oh man. RAM is too tall. Fuck. It's okay, I have a plan. Where's my 4 little screws at?
We both need towels. After having gone swimming.
Alright, so here's the dealio. I'm gonna take this back fan out and put it in the top, put my rad in the back.
Yep. Let's do it. Just because Gazoon tight.
Thank you.
Maybe.
I hope this is a 120.
120.
Yeah, top doesn't take 140s.
The event is locked. Mr. Pickles. Tune 176. To view, enter your password. I'm not sure what that one means.
No idea.
Alright, let's jump back over to the chat here. I really wanted a PS4 before I got the Xbox One, so I'm just switching there. It must be super hot in there. Yeah, it is.
Shit.
So Super, how much better was PCB than your other one? I believe it's just a case switch.
Yeah, it's just a case
After
switch.
Case mod, said Machinima. Thank customer request you. From Webster.
I see how I feel.
That must take a lot of focus when you're in the middle of strumming.
Yeah, dude.
That's why I'm always terrible with responding to you guys. I apologize severely for that. Keeping up on chat is very difficult sometimes.
Hold this before I throw it. For fuck's sakes, mate. I can't get the fucking thing to mount nowhere. This fan's in the way. I'm gonna fuck you up. So this fan's getting in the way now too. So maybe I should move it to the bottom.
Will it reach all the way to the bottom?
No.
Will it reach to the front?
Probably not, but we'll give it a go.
Yeah, that's the only way it can fold with that, like that.
Almost. But it was clear if these drives weren't there.
Oh my gosh.
Fuck.
This is such a big problem. I don't know the song that had this beat. Weren't you playing that the other day?
I don't know, maybe.
Alright.
Yeah, it's not gonna fit there either. So I'm about to pull the top fan out first. Get the rad installed.
We should
And
have more energy drinks.
probably. I'm getting tired already.
I feel it, dude.
Tired of this bullshit.
See, that's why I never clean mine. Because then I get 3/4 of the way through and it's just like, nah.
I'm getting pissed.
I could just go watch Netflix somewhere. Finish it another time.
Leah, stay downstairs.
I'm pretty sure she's already up there. I think she's going after Grandma. She's talking to someone.
Oh, my sister's usually up there too.
You guys better chip on chat.